Today, at least, because it was yesterday, Kate. Ooh.
Yesterday was ugly,
Yeah.
Jim. It was a little drizzly, and then it just kind of picked up, and we had these showers on and off throughout the afternoon, had a couple of rumbles. Even in the evening, it just did not want to clear out. That coastal system was impacting our forecast for the past couple of days, better part of 48 hours, really. Today, still seeing some lingering clouds. We still have some fog in parts of the area, not everywhere. Right now, the Poconos, the one spot really dealing with some locally dense fog. The rest of us just seeing, again, the low clouds. We've had a little bit of drizzle down the shore, but it is improving. And the trend, the theme of today is improvement, return of sunshine, and a warming trend that will begin today. So the sun is back by midday. I think we'll start to see some breaks of sunshine late morning. Still can't rule out a stray sprinkle as that system departs. But once the sun is back, temperatures shoot rapidly into the 80s. We are headed for highs today, once again, above average. Now those average highs are dropping rapidly. Our average high now 78. At this time last week, it was 82 or 83. So this would have been a perfectly seasonable day last week, but now it's slightly above average. Morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. Our high today is 82 degrees. Tonight we're at 62, which is mainly clear, seasonably cool, very comfortable, not too bad at all. And then we're going to heat up even a little bit more for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to feel like the return of summer to the region. So let's take a look at it as we go through the next several hours. Really, the sun is back, but I want to take you down the shore here, and you can see the clouds are still hanging tough here across most of our shore towns. It may take until 2 or 3 o'clock for the shore to really see any sunshine break through the cloud cover as that system slowly makes its way away from us into the Canadian Maritime provinces and out to sea. But high pressure building in behind it, keeping most of us dry. Now there is some indication that we could have another bank of clouds, maybe a couple of sprinkles here or there. You can see our modeling showing just a little bit of potential for a light shower here or there. I think most of us are dry from here on out, but don't be shocked if you have to swipe the windshield wipers a couple of times. And then by about noon, you can see the clouds are already clearing out of the north and west suburbs. We'll start to see some breaks of sun in the city, and by late afternoon, it is bright and sunny just about everywhere. A nice north wind picks up, and that is going to help things clear out, dry out, and cool down tonight. Tonight with a clearer sky is actually going to be cooler than last night, despite the fact that we are starting this warming trend. You get a little bit more of those diurnal swings where the daytime highs are higher and the nighttime lows are lower thanks to the clear sky. Let's take a look at the next 6 days, really, or next 5 days, and you can see our normal high is now 78. These normals dropping as the days get shorter, unfortunately, as we head toward the autumnal equinox, which is next Monday. The days getting shorter. We're losing about 2.5 minutes of daylight every single day. So if the days are starting to seem shorter to you, that's why it's getting darker sooner as we head into autumn. We're at 82 today, 88 degrees though tomorrow. Tomorrow is the final Friday of summer, and make the most of it because it's going to be a hot one. We're going to knock it back on Saturday, and the only thing that does it is what we call a backdoor cold front. It's going to usher in an east wind. It'll knock the temperature down, but it doesn't have a lot of moisture with it, so all it does is knock the temperature back. I think we'll still see some sunshine. More clouds on Sunday, keeping us a bit cooler. The tropics have been relatively quiet, but there are several areas of interest here off the coast of Africa, and we now have a new tropical storm to tell you about. Tropical storm Gabrielle. Now, Gabrielle is expected to stay a tropical storm until early next week, when it will likely strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane. The latest track of this keeps it east of Bermuda, which is a good thing, but notice the cone of concern is rather large as we go through the weekend, so this is something to watch. As of now, does not look like Gabrielle will impact the U.S. mainland, but of course it can impact it in an indirect way by slowing down the weather pattern, and there is some indication that we may see a slowing front for late next week or next weekend as Gabrielle lurks off the Atlantic coast. So we'll continue to monitor that, and of course it could cause some coastal impacts as well as far as rough surf and rip currents. But the next 7 days looking pretty quiet. 83 today with clouds breaking for sun. We're at 88 with sunshine tomorrow, a little cooler Saturday, and then I think it does stay kind of cloudy Sunday. Should stay dry. We start autumn on Monday on a nice note, and then Tuesday and Wednesday looking great. We're right back to the 80s for the first full days of fall.